Let me ask you something very honest. If one day, suddenly, something happens to you, who will take care of your family? Your parents, your children, your spouse. We all work so hard every day, but we never ask one question. If I am gone, who will support my family financially? Life is unpredictable, but your family's protection should not be. Today I will explain a government scheme that was created exactly for this reason. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, or PMJJBY. A very simple scheme that gives 2 lakh rupee life insurance for a very small yearly amount. Let's understand this with a real story. This is the story of Ravi, a 32-year-old man from a small town. He works in a private company and earns just enough to manage the month. Every morning, when he leaves for work, he thinks, what will happen to my family if one day I don't come back? He has 2 small kids, a wife who doesn't work, and elderly parents. All of them depend completely on his income. One day, at the bank, the staff told him about PMJJBY, a government life insurance plan that costs less than 2 rupees per day. Just 436 rupees per year, and his family will get 2 lakh rupees if he dies, for any reason. Ravi thought, I spend more than 436 rupees on one weekend outing. But this small amount can protect my family if anything happens to me. He joined the scheme immediately. For people like Ravi, PMJJBY is not a scheme. It is a safety net, a small protection, a backup plan. Now let's understand the scheme properly so you can decide for yourself.
What is PMJJBY? PMJJBY is a life insurance scheme started by the Government of India. It gives your family 2 lakh rupees if you die due to any reason, accident or natural. This scheme was created because crores of Indians had no life insurance. If something happened, families had no money, no support, nothing. So the government launched PMJJBY to give a simple, affordable protection plan. There is no paperwork, no big conditions, no middlemen. You just need a bank account and basic KYC or Aadhaar linking. Who can join PMJJBY? Eligibility is very simple. Age must be 18 to 50 years. You must have a savings bank account. Your account must be Aadhaar linked or KYC completed. You should give auto debit permission, so the premium deduction happens automatically every year. If you join before age 50, you can continue receiving cover up to the age of 55 as long as you renew every year. If you have multiple bank accounts, you can join only from one account. Very simple, easy to join.
Benefit: 2 lakh rupees cover. This scheme gives your family rupees 2 lakh if you die while the policy is active. It doesn't matter if the death is due to accident, health issue, heart attack, disease, any natural cause. As long as your policy was active and premium was paid, your nominee, usually your spouse, child or parents, will get rupees 2 lakh. Cost of the scheme: premium. This is the biggest reason people join. The premium is rupees 436 per year. Not per month, not per quarter, just once a year. Less than rupees 2 per day. Cheaper than a cup of tea. This amount is auto-debited from your bank account every year, so you don't need to remember anything. Coverage period is 1st June to 31st May. If you join mid-year, premium may be less based on remaining months. Important condition: no maturity benefit. PMJJBY is pure life insurance. This means you do not get money back after 1 year. You do not get money if you survive. You do not get maturity value. It is only to support your family if something unexpected happens. This is why the premium is very low. Waiting period or lean period. One important rule: if you join for the first time or rejoin after a gap, there is usually a 30-day waiting period. During these first 30 days, if death happens due to natural causes, the claim may not work. But accidental death is covered even during the waiting period. After 30 days, all types of death are covered. This is a very important point people don't know.
How to join? Step by step. Joining PMJJBY is very easy. Option 1.
Bank branch. Go to your bank and fill a small form. Option 2. Net banking or mobile banking. Many banks show PMJJBY under insurance section. Just click enroll, agree, done. Option 3. Post office savings account. If you have a post office savings account, enroll there. You need a bank account, Aadhaar or KYC, nominee name, auto debit permission. The entire process takes 2 to 5 minutes. Claim process, how family gets money. If the insured person dies, the nominee must inform the bank, fill claim form, submit death certificate, give bank account details of the nominee and Aadhaar of both nominee and the deceased. After verification, the 2 lakh rupees amount is transferred to the nominee's bank account. This whole process is designed to be simple, especially for rural families.
Real life impact story. Let me tell you another true style story. There was a man named Manoj, working in a small shop in Maharashtra. He earned around 12,000 rupees per month. Every year, he paid 436 rupees for PMJJBY. One night, while returning from work, he met with an accident and passed away. His family was in complete shock. No breadwinner, no savings, nothing. But his PMJJBY insurance was active. His wife received 2 lakh rupees from the scheme. Now, 2 lakh rupees cannot replace a life, but it can give a family time to stand again. It can help them pay rent, pay school fees, buy medicines for their parents, and survive during the toughest days. This is why PMJJBY exists. A small protection but a big support. Who should definitely take PMJJBY? You should consider this scheme if you are the earning member of the family, you have small children, your parents depend on you, you earn less or have no savings. You want basic life insurance at low cost, you want simple, no complication coverage. You want peace of mind. It is one of the most affordable government life insurance schemes in India.
Conclusion: PMJJBY will not make you rich. It will not give returns, but it will give your family support when they need it the most. Sometimes, the biggest financial protection comes from the smallest decisions. 436 rupees a year can become the strongest shield for your family. Ask yourself one question. If I am not there tomorrow, who will take care of my family? If your answer scares you, then PMJJBY is one small step that can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, share it with your parents, your friends, and your family. Maybe this information can save someone's future. And subscribe for more easy to understand financial videos in simple words.